and welcome to all of you in Little Flower Children School Ghosi News Channel. I am your host Arama Banu and welcome to our special segment where we recap all the exciting events and activities that took place in the month of September. Headline number 1. Teachers' Day celebration on 5th September. Teachers' Day is a special occasion celebrated to honor and appreciate the efforts and dedications of teachers in shaping the lives of students. It was celebrated at LFIS on September 5 in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a philosopher, scholar, and the second President of India. All the LFCS branches participate in the big function where teachers were honored with flowers, gifts, and certificates. So many teachers like Best Mentor, Most Innovative Teachers, and Most Caring Teachers were rewarded by our respected management. A cultural program was also conducted and showcasing the life of teachers and their contribution and dance and singing performance dedicated to teachers. Headline number 2. Hindi Divas on 14 September. Hindi Divas was celebrated on 14 September at LFCS Ghosi to commemorate the adoption of LFCS of Hindi as an official language of India by the Constituent Assembly in 1949. It is a day to promote the importance and usage of the Hindi language across the country. On that day, it was a special morning assembly where students recited Hindi poem and delivered speech in the significance of Hindi. A brief talk about the history of Hindi Divas and why it is celebrated were given by Hindi teacher Mr. Ri. Also a Hindi poem recited by English teacher Mr. Hira, and assembly was addressed by our respected principal sir on the importance of Hindi language. Essay writing, poetry recitation and speech competition were organized on the topic of Hindi, our special language and the role of Hindi in uniting India. Headline number 3. Special PTM on 14 September. On 14 September 2024, LFCS Ghosi conducted a special parent-teacher meeting for various reasons such as discussing student overall development, addressing specific academic and behavioral concerns. PTM is one-to-one meeting scheduled between different and teachers to discuss the academic performance for each student, highlighting the strength and area for improvement and emotional development, extracurricular participation and personal goal for improvement and strategies to achieve them. Headline number 4. Uttar Pradesh Yoga Asana Sport Association held from 14 September to 16 September. 5th Sub-Junior Para and Master Male State Championship 2024 under Uttar Pradesh Yoga Asana Sport Association was held between 14 to 16 September at Seth Jaipuria PT Deen Dayal Upadhyay Nagar, Varanasi. Our yoga teacher Mr. Sumit Dubey participated this yoga asana competition and won a bronze medal for proud glory to our school. Headline number 5. Vishwakarma Puja on 17 September 2024. On 17 September, Vishwakarma Puja was celebrated at our LFCS Ghosi. It is a Hindu festival and honored Lord Vishwakarma, the divine architect and craftsman of God. He is considered the creator of all machinery tools and architectural wonder of the Hindu mythology. Vishwakarma Puja is observed primarily by artisans, craftsmen, engineer, architect, and worker involved in construction and mechanical field. Typically, tool, instrument, or even computer were decorated and worshipped as a symbol of craftsmanship and knowledge. Students and teachers had gathered for Aarti and to seek blessings for success their academic and creative pursuits. Headline number 6. CBSE East Zone Judo Championship 2024. The CBSE East Zone Judo Championship 2024 is an inter-school judo competition. It was organized by the Central Board of Secondary Education for school the East Zone Varanasi from 19 September to 21 September 2024. The event typically gathered among young athletes from various schools to compete in different weight categories based on age group, promoting sportsmanship, physical fitness, and judo skill among students. Participants showcase their techniques in boards competing for medal and recognition at regional. At national level, Priyanshi Yadav, the student of class 11 from LFCS Ghosi, also participated in this competition and she got bronze medal and brought glory to our LFCS Ghosi under the guidance of our physical teacher, Mrs. Shobha Chaurasia. Headline number 7. Half-yearly examination 2024-25. The half-yearly examination 2024-25 were conducted from 23rd September, typically held in school around mid-academic year, usually after completing a significant portion of the syllabus. These exams serve as an important assessment tool for both teachers and students to evaluate progress and understanding of the subject. The result often help in identifying area for improvement before the final exam. Thank you.